Okay, it's time for the vodka sauce. So I'm gonna start by adding a drizzle of olive oil, let it get hot, and then I'm gonna add 1 finely minced shallot. A shallot is basically if an onion and a garlic had a baby, this is it. It's very mild. And then I have 2 cloves of finely minced garlic. Add them in. I'll saute everything until they're nice and fragrant. Okay, so for the shallots and the garlic, you wanna finely mince everything because this is supposed to be a very smooth sauce. You don't want any big chunks in there. This smells good. And then I'm gonna add 2 cups of crushed tomatoes along with a 1/4 cup of tomato paste. Mix them together, and then we have 1 cup of heavy cream. Add that in, and then to make it nice and spicy, my little hack here as well is to use sambal oelek or a chili garlic sauce that you typically use for pho. Mix them up. And then I have a 1/4 cup of vodka that I'm gonna add in. And don't worry guys, we're gonna simmer this sauce and so the alcohol is gonna burn off. This pregnant lady is not getting drunk today. I'm gonna make sure to cook off the alcohol. I'm gonna let everything simmer for about 20 minutes. And then once it's done, I'm gonna add a tablespoon of butter to make it nice and glossy and a pinch of salt. Oh, it smells so good. It's very garlicky and you can kind of smell a hint of the vodka in here, but you won't really taste it because the alcohol has burned off and the vodka really just gives it a lot of depth. So I brought the sauce back to a simmer and now I'm gonna dunk our fresh pasta right in. And I've saved about 2 cups of pasta water to help the noodles stick to the sauce. I'm just gonna add maybe about a 1/4 cup to each pasta serving. Give it a good mix. And I'm just gonna let the pasta cook for another minute to really absorb the sauce. Oh, this smells delicious and savory. Oh, now let's plate it. So there's our fresh pasta, and now I'm gonna garnish with some freshly grated parmesan and a sprinkle of parsley. While I was cooking this with the sauce, I noticed that it clung to the pasta so much better. The texture is bouncy. And that sauce has so much flavor. It's cheesy from the Parmesan, but it's nice and spicy from the sambal oelek. It's a different flavor profile if you're not familiar with it, but it gives it a really nice kick. I hope you guys liked this video. Comment below or just drop me a spaghetti emoji and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!